everybody. I want to connect here on values within our coaching tools in the M4P software platform. Looking at values, if you go to your dropdown and select the name of your direct report, we're using Michael Scott as an example. Values is kind of the historic way we've gone about having quarterly reviews, what we call quarterly conversations. And these are all around how an individual is exemplifying or demonstrating one of our values, our lived values that we've identified and defined as an organization that are the most important to us. You might notice that what we talk about, and on our website, there's 8 values, including results and excellence. Those 2 are purposefully omitted because that does get taken care of, we believe, within objectives, because those are objective, measurable goals. These values, these remaining 6, are much more observable behaviors that we should see demonstrated consistently over time, starting with passion. So let's look at this as an example. We value determination, perseverance, and a sense of urgency. How do we go about rating this? Well, preferably, we have this on a 1 to 5 scale that we look at a little bit like a letter grade if you're looking at this as a manager giving a score. A 1 being substantial areas of improvement. This is probably more like a D player within the organization. Minus, not great. There needs to be an immediate change. This could potentially be a cause for a behavioral improvement plan or some sort of written coaching plan to make sure that no matter what their performance is, we need to see the particular value in question raising up. A 2 is all right. It's kind of like a C minus. We certainly need to see that improve as well, because it's not really the minimum standard that we're hoping for. If we look at this in a 100-point scale, a 2 is really kind of in the 70s, and that's not ideal for what we're looking at. Ideally, a 3, which would be more in the 80% and above, is what we'd be looking for. A plus minus is solid. It's good. There's definitely room for improvement in that area. And it would be something that I don't think a lot of people would be super happy to think that they're getting a B in one of our lived values. A 4 is really good. This is an A player in that particular area. Are they demonstrating that value? That's what we hope to see, is somebody that's closer to that 4, that, yeah, there's some areas maybe for improvement, but there's a lot of really good things happening there. And it still gives you an opportunity as a coach to provide more coaching information to somebody outside of the classic, maybe plus or plus minus scale. And lastly, then a 5 within any of these values is they are consistently exemplifying this value. They're doing a phenomenal job in this area, and there's really no cause for a lot of continued coaching. You probably can think of a lot of examples off the top of your head for that particular value. So that's how the scoring is going to work in the value section of this coaching function. And hopefully you found it helpful. There'll be more videos to come, and thanks for watching.